Morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I am deciding to start filming, kind of like vlogging, I guess. I guess my reason being that I just want to keep myself accountable. I'm really good at falling off track if I don't have proof that I started to begin with. So that being said, I'm doing kind of a clean with me day. Today I'm going to work out. Depending on the weather, we might go for a walk. It's still pretty cold, so maybe not. But yeah, bear with me if my camera is a little shaky, because when I went to adjust my tripod earlier, it broke. So sorry, guys. That's super fun. Ellie wants to say hi. Say hi. Okay, she doesn't want to say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yeah. So yeah, anyways, we're just, oh, Foxy wants to say hi too. Hi, Foxy. Hi, Foxy. Okay, anyway, let's just get on with the video. That concludes today's video. I got a lot of stuff done. I just took the trash out, and yeah, we're sitting in a clean apartment now, which is great. And yeah, I think I'm gonna work out now. But anyways, I don't know how often I will be uploading. I kind of want to start doing weekly vlogs, and this is kind of just like my test vlog. So if you all want to see weekly vlogs, give this a big thumbs up. Like, yeah, I already said that. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.